Good morning, this is Miss Savela, and I'm going to show you how to use nearpod. When you pull up your nearpod, it will be assigned to you. You'll get this thing. Yours won't say preview. Mine says preview so I can see what it looks like for a student. You'll click through and it'll tell you what's going to happen and what you're going to learn. The first thing it'll do is it will give you an option of what to do. So sometimes there'll be a poll, sometimes there'll be a drawing task, sometimes there'll be a writing task. In this particular question, it is, can you explain what a verb is? Yes. This tells us what it is. It's an action verb. And then our next thing is to examples of verbs. These are different types of verbs. Here we have an activity. Circle the words that are verbs. Put an X on the other words. So we see down here these tools. So what we're going to do is we are going to either use the highlighter or we're going to use the pen. So if we click on the pen, we can change our color and we can circle the verbs and X out. That's how we use the pen. Then there might be a video for you to watch. So you might have to have your headphones available. There's a video. Now there might be a quiz. So in this particular case, each sentence has a verb that tells what something or someone did. True. You will click through all of them until you are finished, and you will not be able to skip anything. Here's another example of a draw it. We are supposed to highlight the verbs. Bahi played with his friends. Played is our, I'm going to make that a little bit wider. Played, spoke, am, okay? And finally, it says thank you. So when you're finished with your nearpod, basically you'll finish and it'll enter it. And that's all you have to do. But keep in mind, when you are doing a nearpod, you have to do all the activities. You can increase the size of the screen so you can see things. And every now and then, when you are working in nearpod, if it asks you to look at a picture, many times you can click on the picture to make it larger. I hope that helps, and good luck with your nearpod lesson.